If you're facing an issue where Windows gets stuck on the shutting down screen and the loop keeps running forever, then you are at the right place. Here is a detailed guide on how to fix the problem. This is the Windows Club. Windows 11 can get stuck on the shutting down screen because of a service that does not exist, some corrupt system file, or a process that is stopping the PC from shutting down. If you're getting the same issue, here is how to fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. Disable hibernation and serial bus link. One of the reasons your Windows 11 is stuck on the shutdown screen is also because the system is not going into hibernation correctly, leaving only the option to abruptly shut your system down by using the power button. Another reason this may occur is due to issues with the power management on universal serial bus controllers. You can disable both to fix the issue for yourself. Here is how to do so. Firstly, open the Run dialog box by pressing the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard. In the Run command box, type regedit and press Enter. Click Yes on the user account prompt. This will open the registry editor. In it, head over to the following path: computer/hkey_local_machine/system/current control set/control/power. Now find the registry entry titled Hibernate Enabled Default. Double-click to open in edit mode. Change the value data to 0. Click OK to save the settings. Method 2. Disable serial bus link. To disable power management on universal serial bus controllers, right-click the Windows icon in the taskbar. Click to open Device Manager from the menu. In the Device Manager, expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers category. Right-click on each device and view the properties. Switch to the Power Management tab if available. Uncheck the Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power option. Click OK to save the changes. Repeat the same on all the Universal Serial Bus Controllers with the Power Management tab. Restart your PC to check if the issue is fixed for you. Method 3. Run SFC. Run the system file checker following this guide to check for corrupted system files and help fix them. Corrupted system files can interfere with your PC's shutdown and boot up processes. Method 4. Identify services that are creating issues. You can follow this guide to identify Windows services delaying shutdown or startup. Method 5. Troubleshoot in safe mode. Windows safe mode starts Windows with the basic settings, minimum drivers, and system files. When in safe mode, a problem doesn't occur, which means that the default Windows settings and drivers are not causing issues. Hence, third-party software is at the root of the issue. Open Windows settings by pressing the Windows plus I keys on your keyboard. Head over to the system settings from the left pane. In the recovery section, click the Restart Now button next to the Advanced Startup option. Now, in the Advanced Startup, open Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced option, then Startup Settings. This will take you to the page with various startup options. Now press F5 on your keyboard to boot into safe mode with networking options. Now check if the issue is fixed. To exit the safe mode, restart your PC. You can also follow this guide to learn about safe mode in detail. Method 6. Eliminate newly installed programs. If you are getting the error soon after installing a program, then uninstall it. To do so, open Settings, open Apps, and then head to Installed Apps. Click on the three-dot menu next to the app. Click on the Uninstall button. Follow as shown to uninstall the game. Once the uninstallation of the process completes, restart your PC and check. Method 7. Check event logs. You can view the event logs using the built-in event viewer or our freeware Windows Event Viewer Plus to do so easily. You can follow this guide for this. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.